Say hi, Katie.
Snow along the side of the van, okay?
Say hi.
Hi.
Because I plan to dig the van out.
Say hi. How much fun are we having?
Loads. What do I come up here for?
Do you love Pennsylvania?
Oh, salt.
Are you happy we moved here?
Yeah.
Because we're out here.
Right, Daddy. Go.
Look, the kids are helping.
Yeah.
We should make them shovel it.
Hey, how much you guys got there?
Okay.
Katie's hat's rolled over her eyes.
Let's go.
Where are you? Where are you?
I found the trampoline hub. I made it.
Okay, go out there.
What's that?
Huh? Go out there with them.
I had to help her get up there last time. And this is worse. Go on, Katie, climb. Is she making any progress?
Keep going.
Just throw her.
Your what? Your hat? Your hat?
Just take it off. Just leave her with her hood on. It's gonna keep falling down.
Like that. Is that good?
Oh, jeez. I'm going to fall again. This is too deep. I can walk. I can walk here. I'm about to fall again.
Don't throw it at the camera. Again.
Don't do that, Margaret.
I told you that last time
Don't
too.
snow at the camera. It's not funny.
Whoa.
You know better. Say hi, Katie.
Hi.
Say hi, Josie.
Hi.
Where's your face? Can't see your face. What happened to your eyes? What are you doing? Swimming in the snow?
No.
What are you trying to do?
Find a place. Yay. Not right. My glove fell out.
Help, please. Kept falling off last time too. I think they're a little big. Oh no! Got it all in your jacket. Oh.
Ew, Daddy pushed me.
Daddy.
What? Why?
I don't like that.
Get him back, Josie. Throw snow at him.
Daddy, you wipe my face off. Where?
No, I can't wipe your face off. Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Your hat?
It's just like last time, man. Do we even have hot water right now?
We got some on.
To take them like a hot bath or something after this?
Yeah, put them all in the hot bath.
That's what I did last time. Where are you going? Daddy was coming to help you with your hat. Luna?
I want to play, but I'm not going to play up there.
Get her, Josie. What are you doing? What?
There you go.
Snow in my boots.
You'll live. Pull your pants over them.
We'll get down inside.
No, we're not going
down?
inside. toughen up.
Hands freezing. Hands freezing.
If you go inside, then you can't come back out.
You want to come back down, Katie?
What, are they tired of it already?
No. Maggie not.
Margaret?
I'm going to throw it at Daddy.
Oh,
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean it.
oh, Josie.
I meant to hit Daddy.
Come on.
Katie's gonna eat it.
Aren't you gonna eat the snow?
Huh? Wipe your face off?
She doesn't like it on her face.
Okay.
Josie, where's your gloves? Crickets. Go get them, Luna. Yellow snow. Dog.
He's like, this way. Over here.
What is she doing? Luna! Let's leave him out here.
Help, help.
I'm gonna laugh if that all falls on her. It's not smart, Josie.
Maggie!
Where you going, Luna?
She's like purposely trying to find the deep spot. You better run. Luna's making more yellow snow. Don't go over there.